Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 7th video of flow series. In the last video we have covered how we can stop the duplicate task on a particular case. But don't you think there can be multiple cases with the same subject or same contact? Yes, there can be. So today we will be understanding how we can prevent duplicate cases without using Apex Trigger with the simple power of flow. This can lead to duplicate cases, confusion for agents, and a bad customer experience. So in order to avoid this, we will be making a flow so that we can reduce the duplication. We can skip the duplication if the duplicate case exists. So if I talk about my requirement, it is very much simple and crystal clear. So my requirement is, if we have same contact and same subject line, and if the status is not marked as completed and still the case is coming with same contact and same subject, then we need a validation error so that that case doesn't get generated. So let's see how we will be doing it. So in order to start with the same flow, we will be starting with the record triggered flow only, because everything will remain in background. So let's start working with the record triggered flow. So I will be just selecting a record triggered flow, and as soon as record triggered flow is selected, first thing that we will be doing is, since our record is getting created only, there is no updation here, so we will be picking a case object here. So once you select a case object, you will be selecting first operation, that is when the record is created, and here we will not give any condition. So now the next condition is, do we go for the after operations, or do we need to go for before operations? Since we need to validate the data if exists, then we need to give a validation error. So validation always go in the before operations. Either if you talk about trigger or you talk about flow, the things remain same, so you will be going for the before update. So once it is done, so now what you need to do, you need to get a record where the subject is same as it is. So let's do that thing as well. So what I will be doing, I will be going here and I will be giving get records here. So once you give a get records, check for duplicate case here. So I'm just going for checking duplicate case here. So I think my camera has been popped up. So let's make the small size and let's keep it here. So here we will be picking the case. So all the conditions that I have told you, where subject is similar to equals to triggering case dot subject. I think I have clicked dot subject. This is the first condition, and similarly we will be adding second condition, where status is not equal to, doesn't equal to completed or closed. So closed and completed one is the same thing. And third thing is, we need a contact ID equals. So further what we need to do, context triggering case dot contact dot id. So I think we should pick a contact ID here by searching. So here it is a contact ID. So this is my get record which will give me the records. So once this is done, next step what we will be doing here. So in the last problem statement, we have used a decision statement. So we will be using a decision statement here in order to do the same. So I will be just clicking decision, and once you click a decision, so here if I talk about this outcome, what I will be doing, I will be adding the condition where case is not available. So in that, where case duplicate has been found, so let's set duplicate found. So in order to do the same, so let's update the API name as well, because I don't want a confusion once the flow is tested. So we will be setting it to duplicate found, and here we have a default outcome. In the default outcome we will do nothing, that is duplicate not found. So we will not give a validation here in the duplicate not found, but we will be giving a validation in the duplicate found. So here in the outcome, so contact, case has been found. So we will be doing case has been found. So here what we will be doing, so let's delete the API name and let's keep this as API name. That case has been found, and here the condition is very much important. So now we need to check if case is not equal to null. So what we will be doing, we will be picking check if, and we will be picking the case id dot case id is null. So I earlier forgot here till this point, but you don't have to stop here. You will be further going here where it is false, where the record id is equal to false, then you will be going for this condition. And after this here, since we need to go for validation rule, so what I will be doing here, I will be adding the error message. So here is we have custom error that you can utilize in order to give an error message. If it is a trigger, then we can use a trigger.new, and with that new record we can give an error. But here we have a specific message for an add error. So I have also kept an error message as well that I think we should pick as standard. So let's paste the things. So what I will be doing, if you want, let's add custom error here. So once the custom error has been added, so here if you want it on the top of the in the window of the record page, you can do it, but I want to give it on particular field, that is a subject or contact id. So let's search for subject. So subject is not found. So what I'm seeing here, the contact id, and here I'm adding a standard text message, that is case with similar details already exist, please check before creating a new case. So this is how my flow will prevent duplicate cases here. So once we will be saving this out, that is testing for duplicate cases here. So once we have done this out, so further we will be playing around with the debugging. So I think we are getting you must specify a error field. So we have defined the error field, but I don't think why it is giving the issue. So let's save this out. I think by saving it should save the error message, because I have tried and tested and everything was good there. So let's save it as new version, and here still we are getting the issue because it is asking me to give a proper message. So what I will be doing, I will be first giving a contact.id, but it will not support this, so it will not give an error. So instead of this, just paste a message here. So I tried this out and it has succeeded. Yes, you are seeing here it has succeeded. This is just a general, so you have to select one field of a triggering record and everything, but further you can give the same message. Further, let's debug this out. So let's save and new. So I have created one case, that is we are good. So here it is we are good. So since this case is already available, so let's start running the debug mode. So if you see the debugging here, the interview has been started. So here are the details. So this record has been jumped in this, and further the duplicate found. So duplicate not found doesn't run. So only the case has been found, and after that get record, give a record. The case has found has been executed and is null is equal to false. So here the condition is meeting, that's why it is moving here, not in this window. And further, if you see here, error message has been added here. So now this is the first flow in which we are debugging it properly. So this is how the debugging is done. So now let's activate our flow, and now let's test it on the real screen. So we will be creating two cases, we are good one. So let's go here and let's test for we are good one, or let's test for we are good. So let's first give contact name as Trishu Sajiva only. So this is a record that I have created here, and here we will be giving we are good. So let's save this out. So now you will be seeing the case origin is not given. So let's give a case origin as phone. So as soon as you give the error, so you are seeing the validation message here. A case with similar detail already exists. Please check before creating a new case. So the things which are not in control of validation can be controlled with the help of flow, like we are doing it. So here we will be doing the second thing. We will be doing we are good one, we are good one. So let's try to save this out. So you are seeing here, we are good one is stored, but we are good is not getting stored. So this complete our today video. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such content. So I got occupied in some tasks, so I'm not picking out currently LWC video and a trigger video, but hopefully by Saturday we will be picking that as well, and you will be seeing the series for LWC as we were doing. And since you were loving that series, so I will try to give my best in order to produce the same output. So that's why I'm keeping on posting the video on flow, so that you can get some material that help you out in order to carve your Salesforce journey into best, and then you can get a job in the best MNCs. Okay, so all the best, have a nice day and happy load.